What's up, all you wonderful people? Kevin here with Good Earth Water Gardens, and we are in Overland Park, Kansas today. We're doing a small pondless waterfall renovation here today. David is starting the deconstruction, and we are going to sink in an aqua basin and set up a small pondless waterfall, maybe about 3 or 4 feet long with a couple little drops in there. That way we can get the good sound, the atmosphere back here in this nice backyard, the way it's all planted up, and nice little private spot here on the deck where we can hang out, as well as these windows in here that we'll be able to view it from. And we're gonna basically turn this into something that's just a lot more enjoyable. So this is our canvas here for today. They had a little stacked stone waterfall on this side. What we're gonna do is yank this preformed tub out of here, take away all the flat stone. We're bringing in some nice moss rock with some good dimension and character to it, and we are going to drop our aqua basin in right here, build up back here. We're going to move some of these boxwoods, and then we'll go ahead and build ourselves up a little berm for our waterfall cascading back down this way, so we can get a good view from the deck here, from the windows, and then all around this outdoor living space. We got Will!
What's up? Install day.
Look at this wonderful water we have in here. He got the blue case this time.
Oh, you gotta show me the dirty trunk?
Instead of that nasty green spring water. Going to defer a little bit from our normal setup, because typically I would like the waterfall to actually spill over the corner of the reservoir, so I would normally have this turned a little bit more, but because this is such a tight space with the deck being here and some of the other plants, I'm going to go ahead and do it this way because it just fits a little bit nicer. We will then go ahead and add our rocks back here on the back side, probably pop that other boxwood up, and then go ahead and build up our berm for our waterfall to spill back this direction towards the deck and the window over here. Will's beard is going to make its way onto the blog. Or the vlog. I said blog because I'm old-fashioned. Well, it is starting to rain, and this guy doesn't like the rain, and some of the other camera gear and such does not, so we're gonna go ahead and frantically get things packed up and out of here. We will be back in the morning tomorrow, and we'll get this water feature all taken care of. See you in like 2 seconds. Heyo, day 2, we're back. It's raining. We've got our handy tent up over here, so that's gonna keep us pretty dry while we try and get things all finished up. But yeah, we had storms overnight. Things have cooled off quite a bit, and it is a totally different day weather-wise than it was yesterday. So we're gonna make the best of it. We want to get this thing done, up and rocking. Might have some storms coming in later. We'll see what happens here. And yeah, I'm just gonna get to this thing. I'm gonna put you away because I don't want to get you wet. Working in the rain sucks. I'm glad we have a tent. Well, the rain is finally let up and we are finishing up and going ahead and getting out of here. Waterfall turned out really, really nicely. Like how it fits into the landscape and everything back here. Really looks like it was part of the yard before they ever put any of this other stuff back here. So we're gonna go ahead and get the last of our things packed up and cleaned up. I'm gonna get out of here, go ahead and flip you around here and show you what we got. That about wraps it up here for us. If you enjoy seeing content like this and you want to see more of our videos as they come out, remember to subscribe, drop a like, leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think about this. We'll catch you on the next one. What's up, all you wonderful people? Kevin here with Good. Let's try that again.
The beard is vlogging.
Back it up. Back it up.